Discover your peaceful refuge at Parkside at May Creek by D.R. Horton. Located near the shores of Lake Washington, between Bellevue and Renton, this community offers a modern Pacific Northwest living experience with several desirable amenities. Meander through accessible pathways leading to a park with play equipment and picnic areas. Witness the natural beauty of the abundantly green landscape right in your own neighborhood. For even more outdoor adventure, try May Creek Park less than 3 miles away, or explore the trails along Coal Creek, or take a bike ride at the nearby Cougar Mountain Park. And about 2 miles away, Lake Bourne Park has sport courts and fishing, a playground, plus community events. For a premier golf experience with spectacular scenery, you can try the golf club at Newcastle. Find fresh local food and plants year-round at the Newcastle Fruit and Produce Company, while Newcastle Commons offers a variety of dining options. And the Marketplace at Factoria offers shopping that caters to everyone. Discover your ideal lifestyle in Parkside at May Creek, offering 7 unique home designs to suit your needs. Each 2-story layout includes premium interior finishes and landscaped front and backyards. In these stunning kitchens, you'll appreciate quartz slab countertops with full-height tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. Get cozy by the fireplace in the living room and entertain guests with ease in the seamlessly integrated living areas. After a long day, unwind and recharge in the luxurious primary bedroom with private ensuite bath. Parkside at May Creek by D.R. Horton delivers the feeling of home with all the comforts and conveniences that you deserve. Call us at 206-589-5687 to schedule a tour so we can find the ideal home for you.